chariot he has cast into the sea. My strength and my courage is the Lord, and he has been my Savior. He is my God, I praise him. The God of my Father, I extol him. Let us sing to the Lord. He has covered himself in glory. The Lord is a warrior. Lord is his name. Pharaoh's chariots and army he hurled into the sea. The elite of his officers were submerged in the Red Sea. Let us sing to the Lord. He has covered himself in glory. The flood waters covered them. They sank into the depths like stone. Your right hand, oh Lord, magnificent in power. Your right hand, oh Lord, has shattered the enemy. Let us sing to the Lord. He has covered himself in glory. You brought in the people, you redeemed and planted them on the mountain of your inheritance, the place where you made your seat. Oh Lord, the sanctuary, Lord, which your hands established. The Lord shall reign forever